Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to create home screen folders with Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So first, let's just to create a new folder, let's select the not just to select, just hold and drag the application to another one. By this way, we just can see that we successfully create the new home screen folder. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just we should hold for a while this application and tap to select. After that, just select a couple of another applications and tap here on the right upper corner to create the folder. As you can see, we'll just create two new folders. If you want to give a name to this folder, just open it, tap the folder name and enter the name. For example, the apps, tap to done. Now we can see that we just successfully renamed it, give it a name, or also you can rename it by the swipe. To add more applications to your folder, you can also click to this plus and after that select all of the available applications. For example, let's add 5 more apps. We can see that we just had 5 from 64 applications. So now we device tap to done, and as you can see, we just successfully add them. So if you want to move this folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. Also, you can rename it by the second way. Hold for a while the app, the folder, and click here to this edit icon and just rename it from here. To remove the application from the home screen, from the folder, you should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove a couple of apps in one click, just please just hold it for a while, click select them. You can remove them, create a new folder from these selected previously applications, or just tap to remove. But don't worry, you will stay just with these apps here in the apps menu. So by the same way, you can remove all of the applications in one click with the folders together. So hold it and tap the remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.